Hello, Jeunesse family. Woo! Oh my gosh. See, I picked out this dress especially because it's what color? Provida blue. I'm going to start with some of our products that you know about, but we're going to talk about it maybe a little differently than you've heard before. Because we're all here to talk about everything that's Provida and anti-aging and youth enhancement. Well, what is aging anyway? Generally, it's how many birthdays, chronological aging. But the aging that we care about is biological aging. In other words, how old are you really from the outside in and the inside out? And what does that mean, and what can we do about it here at Jeunesse? Well, it's all about balance. And by the way, former professional ballet dancer, yes, that is me. Not recently, but that's me. It's a balance between our damaged cells, or our cells that go away because they're too old, and our cells that are new and revitalized and created again. It's that balance. That is what makes aging or not. So, why do they get damaged to begin with? Because we're all about cells. Everything is about cells. Well, things get oxidized, like rusty nails, or why do apples turn brown when you leave them out and you cut them open? Oxidation. That damages cells. What else damages cells? Inflammation. What can cause inflammation? Pollution can cause inflammation. Eating too much sugar, I hate to say it, but it's true, can cause inflammation. All those things create damage to our cells. And also too much stress. A little bit of stress is good because it makes you revved up and excited. But too much stress, again, damages the cells, ages us prematurely. And a poor diet, processed foods, deep fried foods, eating the wrong oils, because there are good oils out there, but most of the time we're presented with the wrong oils. What else? Lack of exercise. This is huge, because this is one of those things, it's not that you do it and you should stop doing it, but if you don't do it, it's not good, and it will actually cause damage to the cells. And then, of course, smoking. Just don't smoke. And if you are, do whatever you can to try to quit. So, that's what ages us and ages cells. So what happens is, over the years, oxidation, inflammation, all those things, and we start to age. We don't look so good. We don't feel so good. We need more revitalized. We need more revitalized, healthy cells to tip the balance backwards. So, what do? We have to have a healthy lifestyle. We have to, I hate to say exercise, because exercise sounds really boring and sounds like something you just don't want to do. But moving your body could be fun. You can move your body in all sorts of ways. So, just move your body. That's the same thing as exercise. Don't smoke. Try to do things that decrease stress. Antioxidant foods, rich antioxidant foods, we're going to talk about that. Lots and lots of good, healthy nutrients, and supporting our own adult stem cells. It's very, very important. It's part of this whole system of healthy lifestyle. So there, decrease stress, move your body. You don't have to jump rope. You could do other things that are fun. Antioxidant foods. What do we have that we've had for a while here in Malaysia? What do we have that would be considered an antioxidant food? Well, I'll give you a hint. It has in it Japanese knotweed. It has in it Japanese knotweed. And why is Japanese knotweed special? Japanese knotweed has been shown to have so many health benefits. And why? Because Japanese knotweed has a large amount of an incredible nutrient called resveratrol. And we have Japanese knotweed in what? Reserve, exactly. And Reserve is like the most yummy health food I've ever tasted in my life. So super healthy, super tasty. I actually have never met anyone who really, really hates it. Everybody just really loves it. It's amazing. Has the Japanese knotweed for the resveratrol, and it's in a gel. This is really important for resveratrol and for this whole nutrient. Has to be in a liquid form. Not every nutrient to be well absorbed needs to be in a liquid form. Not everyone, but resveratrol does. It needs to be in a liquid form to truly get absorbed by the cells. And that's why it's so important that we put Reserve in a little gel pack. No artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors, no added sugar, as sweet as that is. That's nature. That's nature, that sweetness. That's not anything that we put in extra. And then what did we do? We tested Reserve. We tested it for something called CAP-E. The CAP-E test is a test for antioxidant strength, but it's different than something that you might have heard of before called ORAC. ORAC is an old-fashioned test. It's a test tube test. And we're not test tubes. We're people, and we have cells, right? So we did the CAP-E because what CAP-E can show us is, does the antioxidant that's being tested in Reserve get into and protect live cells? This is a kind of a fancy picture of a cell membrane, meaning all of our cells are surrounded by this membrane, and it's very complicated. You see how it has 2 layers and all these different parts to it. It's not just like a little line around your cells. So the antioxidants have to go through that membrane to actually do any good to the body. What we proved with the CAP-E test is the antioxidants in Reserve can get into and protect our cells, get into and protect live cells. So this is vital in that whole, remember, healthy lifestyle, youth enhancement is Reserve. It also does something very unique. It supports the activation of a gene called SIRT1. You may not realize it. Genes are what make us us. So there's genes that make people have blonde hair and blue eyes or brown eyes. Different genes do that. Genes also are not turned on, meaning we have them in our cells, but they're not active. The SIRT1 gene is very important for longevity. It's very important for supporting our stem cells. And it's not turned on automatically. You have to do really good things in your lifestyle, like take Reserve, to activate that gene to help with longevity, to help with keeping yourself feeling great. And it's also involved supporting our natural adult stem cells in the body. And you're going to hear more about that, so I'm not going to go into that in great depth, because you're going to hear more about that from a very special guest that we have here today. So that's inside out, right? Now, there's also outside in, because largest organ in the body is skin, correct? So we have Instantly Ageless, because Instantly Ageless is the perfect gratification for the microwave, the microwave generation, we want it now. If it takes more than 2 minutes, we lose interest. This is what Instantly Ageless was designed for, because as you can see, those changes right there, especially this one, look at that. That is the same eye. This is not opposite. Same eye in 2 minutes. So what does that do? Is it long-lasting? No. It lasts 6 hours. But does it get people's attention? Yes. It gets their attention. Now you have their attention. Now you can talk to them about Luminesce. You can talk to them about Reserve. You can talk to them about, I don't know, Revita Blue. Right, because you have their attention. So with Luminesce, you have also stem cell technology. You have stem cell technology from the outside in, designed by 15 years of research by Dr. Nathan Newman, a cosmetic dermatologist in Beverly Hills, California, that helps decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That is, again, none of the bad stuff. No parabens, no oils, those things like that. No bad stuff, only the good stuff for your skin. So, well, there you go. I don't even have to say anything. That's what's fun about Luminesce. That's what the difference is when you give your skin what it needs, when you can let the body rejuvenate itself. So, just briefly, we don't just say, oh, look at those before and after pictures, they're so great. We'll just use those. Yeah, we'll use those, but then we'll take it to a lab, a third-party lab, and we'll do an independent study to see if it actually has the same results with people who don't know it's network marketing, don't know it's Jeunesse, don't know it's called Luminesce, don't know it has stem cell technology. They don't know anything. They're just told, okay, put this on your face. And then fill out these questionnaires. 87% of the people felt that their skin looked younger. 87% felt it was smoother. It had a glow, a luminosity. 74% thought it was more firm. But the most important thing is when they asked them, would you recommend this to your family and friends? 100% of the people said yes. That's pretty amazing. So it's not only because you're offering it and you have a business and we can, you can make commissions and things like that. That's, Luminesce is on its own. People want it. So we have products that people want, and boy, as a friend of mine says, boy howdy, there's another product coming that people are really going to want too. So remember, it's always about balance. It's about healthy balance from the outside in and the inside out. And before, all we had, at least here in Malaysia, was Reserve from the inside out. Now we have a new amazing product. Roll video.
Hello everyone, I am Christian Drapeau. Now, I have heard that you have been waiting for quite some time for a new product. Well, here it is. This new product is the result of more than 15 years of work in the field of stem cell research, and it is only available through Jeunesse. Now, this product is for everyone. Fat, lean, short, tall, active, sedentary, athletes, intellectuals. This product is for everyone because everyone has stem cells, and stem cells are the natural repair system of the body. I have seen over the years what a product like this can do for people. This product can truly enhance the quality of life of anyone taking it. People will feel the difference, which, needless to say, can be huge for your business. Now, knowing what this product can do for people and understanding the force of Jeunesse on the marketplace, there is no question in my mind that this is one of the greatest opportunities that this industry has ever seen. So you don't want to miss it.
What do you think? Pretty cool, right? Pretty amazing. Well, I want to tell you, Christian Drapeau, I've known Christian for somewhere around 12 years. He's an amazing individual. I have great respect for what he's done in this field. He has a graduate degree from McGill University. He is an author of many scientific studies on stem cell nutrition, and he is the author of a best-selling book called Cracking the Stem Cell Code. Please welcome Christian Drapeau.